The action camera landscape is about to hit a massive turning point, and if you're currently holding onto your cash waiting to buy your next setup, you might want to freeze exactly where you are. Right now, behind closed doors, a technological shift is brewing that could completely change how we capture extreme sports, daily vlogging, and cinematic travel content. For years, the battle between industry giants has been a game of minor percentages. A slightly better microphone here, a tiny bump in battery life there, or an incremental software update designed to feel like a revolution. But the latest whispers escaping from production pipelines suggest that the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 7 is throwing out the old playbook entirely to establish a completely new standard for what a compact, rugged sensor can actually achieve. We are talking about a device engineered to push boundaries so far that it could leave its closest rivals scrambling to catch up for the next half-decade. If you think action cameras have peaked, or that we are stuck in a loop of repetitive annual releases, the leaked blueprints, sensor specifications, and processing capabilities of this unannounced powerhouse are about to prove you completely wrong. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. To understand why the DJI Osmo Action 7 is generating this level of unprecedented gravity across the creator community, we have to look closely at the engineering limits that have plagued small form factor cameras for nearly a decade. Every single creator who has ever tried to shoot a mountain bike descent at dusk, an underwater dive in murky coastal waters, or a fast-paced urban run under flickering streetlights knows the painful reality of traditional action cameras. The footage gets noisy, the stabilization begins to jitter as the shutter speed struggles, and the dynamic range completely falls apart, blowing out the sky while turning the shadows into a muddy, pixelated mess. The core issue has always been physical space, as you simply cannot cram a massive cinema-grade sensor into a box that sits comfortably on a helmet or a chest mount. However, the engineering team behind the DJI Osmo Action 7 has reportedly spent the last 18 months rewriting the rules of silicon architecture, focusing heavily on a massive upgrade to their computational pipeline. This isn't just about making a rugged camera that survives a drop. It is about creating an absolute imaging weapon that challenges mirrorless systems in scenarios where heavy gear simply cannot go. The absolute crown jewel of the leaked DJI Osmo Action 7 specifications revolve around its radical new approach to the image sensor itself. While previous generations made incredible strides with a 1/1.1-inch CMOS architecture, the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 7 is heavily rumored to introduce a fully optimized, next-generation 1-inch sensor variant featuring a customized stack design. Now, if you follow camera tech, you know that sensor size is only half the battle. How fast that sensor can read data and process individual pixels is where the true magic happens. This new stacked sensor design means the circuitry is layered directly beneath the photodiodes, allowing for a data readout speed that is multiples faster than anything we have seen in a compact, rugged device before. For the everyday user, this eliminates rolling shutter distortion completely. Imagine panning across a fast-moving scene, sprinting through a dense forest, or tracking a high-speed vehicle. With this ultra-fast readout, the vertical lines stay perfectly straight, the background stays stable, and the entire image retains an organic, cinematic motion blur rather than the artificial, digital tearing that breaks immersion. But a faster sensor is completely useless if you do not have a resolution to back it up. And this is where the DJI Osmo Action 7 is set to draw a definitive line in the sand against its primary competitors, GoPro and Insta360. Rumors strongly indicate that the DJI Osmo Action 7 will unlock full, native 8K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. Let that sink in for a moment. Pushing 8,000 horizontal pixels out of a camera that fits into the palm of your hand requires a staggering amount of processing power and an unprecedented level of thermal efficiency. Why does 8K matter so much, or an action camera user, especially when the vast majority of people are still delivering content in 4K or standard high definition on social platforms? The answer lies entirely in the creative freedom of the crop factor. When you shoot in native 8K with the DJI Osmo Action 7, you are capturing 4 times the total pixel data of a 4K frame. This means that during post-production, you can digitally punch in, reframe your shot, create seamless artificial pans, or crop a vertical video for Shorts and TikTok directly out of a horizontal master clip, all while maintaining a pristine, pin-sharp native 4K output. It completely changes the workflow for solo creators who cannot afford to run a multi-camera setup in the field. Of course, spinning that many pixels generates an immense amount of heat, which brings us to another massive engineering breakthrough rumored for the DJI Osmo Action 7. Its completely redesigned internal thermal management system. We have all experienced the intense frustration of an action camera shutting down due to overheating right in the middle of a critical shoot, especially when filming in high-resolution modes during warm summer days. To combat this, DJI is reportedly implementing a passive cooling architecture that utilizes advanced phase change materials alongside a revised exterior chassis that acts as a highly efficient heat sink. This system is designed to draw heat away from the central processing unit and the stacked sensor rapidly, distributing it evenly across the outer casing. According to early testing leaks, this will allow the DJI Osmo Action 7 to achieve completely unlimited recording times in standard 4K modes and significantly extended runtimes in the demanding 8K 60 frames per second mode, even when operating in stagnant air environments without a natural breeze to cool it down. Let's dive deeper into what this new processing brain, likely titled the DJI G3 imaging engine, brings to the table in terms of raw dynamic range. Traditional action cameras max out at around 11 to 12 stops of dynamic range, which is why landscapes shot on bright days often look harsh, with overexposed clouds or completely blacked out tree canopies. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is rumored to break through this barrier by introducing a true 15-stop dynamic range profile, utilizing a real-time, dual-gain readout architecture at the hardware level, instead of blending multiple exposures together digitally, which creates ghosting artifacts around fast-moving objects. The sensor of the DJI Osmo Action 7 captures high and low-gain data simultaneously from a single exposure. This means that if you're snowboarding down a mountain, the camera can perfectly preserve the delicate textures of the bright white snow while simultaneously retaining the deep color and intricate detail of the dark pine trees and shadows around you. This level of performance bridges the gap between consumer action gear and high-end cinema cameras, providing a massive advantage to professional colorists and filmmakers who rely on heavy grading workflows. For content creators working in professional environments, the color science of the DJI Osmo Action 7 is getting an equally massive overhaul. The camera will feature an expanded 10-bit D-Log M color profile, but with a brand new mathematical color matrix that aligns perfectly with DJI's high-end cinema drones like the Inspire series and the Ronin 4D. This means production houses can seamlessly integrate the DJI Osmo Action 7 into a multi-camera broadcast workflow without spending hours matching colors, balancing skin tones, or correcting shifting hues in post-production. The new color profile is engineered to prioritize natural, accurate skin tones even under the most chaotic lighting conditions, such as under heavy canopy shade or mixed artificial lighting in indoor skate parks. Furthermore, an integrated AI-driven auto-grading preset system will allow casual creators to apply cinematic looks instantly inside the mobile app, bypassing the steep learning curve of manual color correction completely. But high resolution and beautiful colors mean absolutely nothing if the footage looks like an earthquake because of poor stabilization. This is an area where DJI has historically dominated, and the DJI Osmo Action 7 is prepared to push that dominance to a scary new level with the debut of RockSteady 4.0, combined with an advanced hardware-level inertial measurement unit and Deep Blue. Earning AI subject tracking. Traditional electronic image stabilization works by cropping into the sensor frame and shifting the image digitally to counteract movement. RockSteady 4.0 on the DJI Osmo Action 7 changes the game by utilizing predictive AI models trained on millions of data points from extreme sports telemetry. The camera doesn't just react to a bump or a vibration after it happens. It actively predicts the trajectory of the camera's movement based on human physics models. If you're skiing down a rugged trail, the algorithm anticipates the natural sway and impact patterns of your body, creating a stabilization profile that looks completely fluid, almost as if the DJI Osmo Action 7 is floating on an invisible, multi-axis mechanical gimbal. In tandem with RockSteady 4.0, the Horizon Steady feature on the DJI Osmo Action 7 is getting a profound upgrade. Creators will be able to lock the horizon line across a full 360-degree rotation, even while recording at ultra-high frame rates like 4K at 240 frames per second. Imagine a skydiver doing multiple barrel rolls through the air or a stunt driver drifting a vehicle sideways. The camera can lock the sky and ground completely flat while the action rotates wildly around the frame. The sheer computational bandwidth required to handle 360-degree horizon leveling at 4K 240 frames per second is mind-boggling. It serves as a testament to the sheer power of the internal silicon DJI is deploying in this next-generation unit.